So today I'm going to be showing you on how you can install your Simplebooklet as a native offline app. There are several benefits to installing your Simplebooklet, one being that you can access it offline, and it is extremely quick to find since it'll take the form of a launch icon on your home screen or your desktop. And as an app, it will always automatically update to the latest version when you do change your flipbook on Simplebooklet. So to start, you'll want to be in your Publish tab, and underneath Publishing Options, you should see a section called Install, and what you want to do is click on the icon called Install on Device. After clicking on that, your Simplebooklet should open, and on top of your Simplebooklet, it should give you a window that asks you to install. So what you'll want to do is click the Install button. You'll then there's a second option on how you can install, depending on how your desktop is formatted, but both of these are options if you would like to install your Simplebooklet. So click Install. And on my desktop, it'll be added to my Apps section. And open as an app on your computer means that it'll retain all its previous functions. So as you can see, even installed as a native offline app, it'll still move and function as a Simplebooklet will. Thanks for listening.